Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. So there's another new broker in town, and that is uSMART. Yes, you are smart and breathtaking. Just in case you're wondering, yep, the mascot is also another animal. This time it's a dolphin, which has a lightning sign on the forehead, like Harry Potter. Anyway, in this video, I'll be reviewing uSMART. Stuff like what are their fees, what features do they have, is it easy to use, and so on. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button. In return, I will show you a cute dolphin. Alright, let's start right now. Okay, a quick intro about uSMART. uSMART is founded in Hong Kong in December 2018. So the company is actually super duper young, like Baby Yoda kind of young. Now, even though the company is quite new, they've already won quite a few awards. And no, it's not own self award own self, like the Star Awards 2022 awarded Star Awards 2021 as the best entertainment special. In this case, uSMART's awards came from another place, like Outstanding Online Brokerage, FinTech Awards, Outstanding Smart Investment Mobile App Award, Outstanding Research Team in Securities Broker. They are also backed by the Hong Kong conglomerate and jeweler Zhou Daifeng, and have a few reputable team members like BNP Paribas, Yahoo, Tencent, Alibaba, UBS. Okay, enough of the accomplishments. Let's talk about the stuff that we all care about, the fees. Here, I need to explain something. uSMART has three types of accounts: uSMART Trader, uSMART Standard, and uSMART Intel. uSMART Trader has the cheapest fees, but it doesn't have the welcome gift and there's no intelligent tools. I will talk about the intelligent tools in a minute, yeah? Next, uSMART Standard has slightly higher fees, but the upside is that it has welcome gift and you have limited access to intelligent tools. Finally, uSMART Intel has the highest fee, but the benefit is that it has a welcome gift and unlimited access to intelligent tools. Also, if you want to upgrade to uSMART Intel, you will need to have at least $3,000 in your account. So, whichever you choose depends on what you need. If you want the lowest fees, you can just use uSMART Trader. Or if you want intelligent tools, you can use uSMART Intel. Also, I've been told that you can change from uSMART Trader to uSMART Standard. But after that, there's no way to change back to uSMART Trader. Okay, let's compare the fees to other low-cost brokers. I'll be comparing uSMART Trader to IBKR, Tiger Brokers, and Moomoo because all of these brokers have US, Singapore, and Hong Kong markets, and they also have US options. Okay, for US stock, IBKR is the cheapest, while Tiger Brokers is the most expensive. So uSMART is not the cheapest nor the most expensive. For Singapore stock, currently uSMART is the cheapest at 0.05% with no minimum, which is actually quite good because let's say if you buy $1,000 worth of stocks, the fee is just 50 cents, which is cheap. But the no minimum promo is only till 31st December 2022. As to what happens after that, we will have to wait and see. Next, for Hong Kong stock, uSMART is again the cheapest at 0.024% per trade with a minimum of $12, while the most expensive broker is Tiger Brokers. For US option, uSMART is the cheapest at 50 cents per contract with minimum 120, while Tiger Brokers is the most expensive broker here. So as you can see, other than the US markets, uSMART is one of the cheapest broker right now, which means you get to save more money to buy your Thai fund with fish. Next, let's talk about their features. uSMART has three keywords: learning, intelligence, and community. They didn't put it there just for fun only, yeah? There's meaning behind those words. Let's talk about learning first. In the app, there's a learning tab. There are a few things here. First, there's the chat session, where you can actually chat with professionals. Yes, real professionals, not like me, a noob who's still learning about investing. For example, you can chat with Bearish Investment Analysis team, who's actually part of uSMART, or this James Uy, who is uSMART Securities Market Strategies. And from what I've seen, their replies are quite fast too. Second, there's a courses section, where you can learn a bit more about investing. Stuff like, what is a stock, or what is a REIT can eat one nah. You can also read blog posts by the professionals, where they talk about market insights and hot stocks. Finally, there's a section called Ask, which is basically like a forum, where you can ask stuff like, can still buy a? Okay, that's the experts tab. But the more interesting tab is the Be Rich tab. Here, you'll find short videos like those you see on TikTok. But it's not about Xiao Mei dancing, but rather it's about financial topics. With that being said, you won't be able to post here. Only uSMART strategists and experts can post video, yeah? So that's how you get real useful videos. Okay, that's the learning keyword. Next, intelligence. For this, we can go to the Discover tab. The stuff here is developed by uSMART in-house research team. First, there's daily stock picks, where they look at different variables like fundamentals, market news, value, technical analysis. Then they choose 3 stocks which they think can go up in the next few days. For example, these were the stocks that went up 3 days ago, and it seems like they got most of it right. But as usual, don't just blindly follow other people's recommendations. Always do your own research before buying, yeah? One thing you will notice is that the details are hidden, and that's because I'm on a standard account. I only have limited access to intelligent tools. If I want full access, I will need to upgrade to the Intel account, which will cost a little bit more. The next section is featured strategies, where you can see different portfolios and their past returns. So technically, you can follow their strategies to try beating the market. They also have a few useful tools for traders like Trend Tracker, Technical Analysis, and Value Screener, which are available for uSMART Intel accounts. So that's intelligence. Finally, the third keyword is community. Here, you can discuss about stocks and the market with other users and be like, oops, together strong. So those are a few features that uSMART have. Next, I also want to talk about the platform. Right now, there's only Android and iOS app. So if you want to trade on the desktop, oh, sorry lor, you will need to wait a bit, yeah? Okay, we have already taken a look at the Discover and Learning tab, but I want to show you other tabs. The Quotes tab is quite straightforward. They have the usual watch list, and if you tap on the stock, you will see some stock info, price chart, order book, money flow, and so on. You can also see discussions about the stock, announcements, and some basic company info. If you want to just buy stocks, they have a basic limit order and market order. But let me show you something. If I go back out, you will see something called Smart Order. It may sound complex, but don't scared. It's actually quite easy to understand. In all of these order types, you can specify what price you want to buy or sell the stock. Then you can set at what price you want to activate the buy or sell order. So for example, if Tesla is 1K now, but you don't want to buy yet, what you can do is use breakthrough buy. Here, you can say if Tesla goes above $1,050, I want to buy 1,000 Tesla stocks at $1,060. Yes, I know maybe you can't afford to buy 1,000 Tesla stocks now, but you'll be rich enough to do that one day. Okay, here's my overall thoughts on the platform. In terms of pricing, uSMART is very cheap. You will see this happening more often going forward. Low-cost brokers are competing for customers, and they will reduce the price as much as possible. But to be frank, the fees can change anytime, so it's just a small factor. Instead, it's more about which broker offers more features. For uSMART, they have 2 unique features. In Discover, they are offering stuff like daily stock picks and featured strategies, which may be useful for investors to potentially make more money. Only downside is that their intelligent tools are not free, as you will need to upgrade to the Intel account to use it. But if it does help you make more money, then the additional fees may be worth it. The second unique feature is that in learning, you can directly chat with experts and watch TikTok-style videos to learn about investing. But I see a potential problem here. Right now, there's not much people, so it's easy to get a response from the experts. When you have a lot more users coming in, it may be hard for the experts to answer every single question. So it will be interesting to see how uSMART plans to solve this problem. Overall, even though uSMART is a new broker, I see that they have a lot of potential and it's definitely worth trying out. So that was my review for uSMART. As usual, if you want to sign up, you can sign up with my link down below and receive some welcome gifts. If you open a standard account and complete 3 trades above $100, you will receive $15 cash voucher. Then, if you deposit $2,000 or more in a single transfer, you can choose to receive 3 Bitcoin Strategy ETF, or you can choose to receive an investment master course by a uSMART market strategies worth $720. This promo ends in 31st May, so quickly go sign up, yeah? Anyway, that's all for this video. Hopefully, it helps you out. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.